No, 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 no!
But those are the eggs I bought for Thanksgiving.
Why are you hatching eggs in the hallway, Opila?
Hey, this is a public area and people might not notice and accidentally break your eggs. Take them to your room, please.
Wow!
It's time to give my chicken back. It's for Thanksgiving, and we're done playing the mother child game here. Return it immediately. This is not a game. We really need that chicken for the Thanksgiving celebration. Give it back. Opila.
But, Professor,
Shut up, Napu. Help me get the chicken back.
we just need to buy another one, Professor. Let Opila keep this chick.
No, wait. This is the last one I could find. There are no more turkeys available outside.
Huh?
Today is Thanksgiving, and we've got no turkey.
Of course, we've already had one, Professor.
Great job, Napu. Let's all enjoy the Thanksgiving feast.
Where did you get the turkey, by the way?
Actually, it's a turkey-shaped garbage sculpture that we roasted. Shh! Don't tell the professor. Since the very dawn of this school, there had been myths circling among the students. Those legends are still here this day and widely known by all the students. Among those, there is this one story, in which, at the fullest moon of the year, an ancient demon will rise from the ashes of hell that it came from, just to find a companion that it will drag down to hell with it. And today, the legend arose and took our teacher away.
From the crime scene before us right now, in my expert opinion, he was attacked from behind. It was out of nowhere. He fell down, but right before he lost consciousness, he left us an important clue. And it is...
This exam paper, it belongs to you, Ban Ban.
Oh no!
It's not me. I did not do it.
You may not have done it, but your evil other half could have. Right, everyone?
It's pretty sus to me.
Dr.red pointed it out already.
Too suspicious. Too suspicious.
Everyone think the same. There's no denying anymore, Ban Ban.
But I did not do it.
I remember it now. I was just walking past the class today, and I already saw Dr.red on the floor. So then, I see Bandin's horns right outside. It wasn't me! I heard someone or something falling down, and rushed to class to see what was this. I peeked through the door and he was already down. There was no one around, and I freaked out. I was going to find some help when Napu screamed out.
And by the way, how are you guys all present at the same exact moment? You are all sus too.
We are just passing by, and did not even get into the room.
Napu is sus too. He's right there at that time.
Actually, I was.
Broken and babbling. Tell us where you were and what you were doing.
Me? I.
Let me answer that. I was doing his homework, and he spent the whole time sleeping.
Yeah, it was hard. So, I needed Sini's help. Just a little bit.
So, why were you there at the time?
I was sleeping soundly when I heard someone cried out my name. Woke up and followed the call, just to see Dr.red already on the floor, so I screamed out loud.
So, who did all of this after all?
He already pointed at Banban. Who else could it be?
Hey, don't be silly.
Kids, what's wrong? Gather up. I'm going to return your exam results.
Are you alright? Why did you lie down there like that?
Oh, I was grading the paper, and it came to Napa's test. His score is -500.
What the?
Deeply devastated, I let out a scream of despair, hurt myself, and fell unconscious.
So, that's why the people are everywhere. And you point at Banban's test just by accident?
It's Napu all over again.